Hey, makers and innovators, samaditech is your go-to source for inspiration and the right tools to fuel your success. Browse our expertly curated collection and bring your creative ideas to life in the workshop. The newly designed pipe cutter is a game-changer for professionals. Introducing the PC-116, a versatile and efficient tool for cutting pipes of various materials, which includes stainless steel, carbon metallic, copper, aluminum, and plastics. Utilizing advanced cold slicing technology, it ensures short, particular cuts without overheating or injury dangers, making your activity faster and safer. Its portable layout permits clean delivery to any task site, while the high-energy alloy blade guarantees lengthy-lasting overall performance. Ideal for both commercial and domestic tasks, this cutter handles pipe diameters ranging from 12 mm to 116 mm, making it best for plumbing, fuel systems, commercial work, and extra. The Wolfcraft TC 710 PM is designed for precision and high-quality tile cutting. One of its key features is the ability to cut tiles up to 710 mm in length, allowing for effortless handling of large tiles. It comes equipped with a robust tungsten carbide cutting disc, which ensures clean and accurate cuts. The cutting disc has a 20 mm diameter and mounts with a 5 mm diameter hole. Built from durable metal, this tool is both sturdy and reliable, with a non-slip handle for enhanced user comfort. Additionally, it features an angled fence guide rail, making repetitive and diagonal cuts easier, ideal for more complex tasks. An extra tungsten carbide cutting disc is included, ensuring you always have a spare for replacement. Meet the Knex S Type pipe wrench, your go-to tool for any construction site. Designed with professionals in mind, this wrench allows fast, precise grip adjustment directly on the workpiece, saving time and effort. Its self-locking mechanism ensures a secure hold on pipes, while specially hardened teeth provide a reliable grip, even on smooth surfaces. Crafted from high-quality, oil-hardened chrome vanadium steel, the Knex S Type guarantees strength and durability. This dependable tool enhances efficiency and convenience, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. The Wolfcraft Clamp is a versatile tool designed for conveniently securing various parts and materials during work. One of its key features is its compatibility with any surface, featuring 20 mm holes, allowing for easy installation on most workbenches. With a clamping range of 120 mm and a force of up to 90 kilograms, it can hold a variety of part sizes, making it suitable for both workshop and construction site tasks. Constructed from high-quality fiberglass and hardened steel, the clamp offers long-lasting durability. The rubber clamping jaws, equipped with a V-shaped notch, provide a secure grip even on round materials. Additionally, an extra jaw is included, allowing for quick conversion into a one-handed clamp, ideal for fast and efficient clamping when needed. These pliers are among the most compact in the world, yet deliver full functionality. Despite their small size, they are capable of gripping and holding pipes and nuts up to 1 inch in diameter. The box-jointed design ensures exceptional stability and strength. What sets the Cobra XS apart is its quick width adjustment system, which allows for one-handed operation. Additionally, the specially hardened serrated jaws provide a firm grip without slipping. The Cobra XS also features a compact, ergonomic design with a slim head, ideal for working in tight spaces while maintaining the strength of larger tools. Whether for plumbing, locksmithing, or repair work, the Knex Cobra XS water pump pliers are a versatile, reliable, and indispensable tool. Let's dive into the Wearer Tools Craftform Mini 1. Set a compact yet powerful toolkit designed for a variety of tasks. Equipped with an assortment of bits in different sizes and shapes, this set is perfect for everything from repairs to assembly work. The mini ratchet handle allows easy access to tight spaces, while its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, efficient grip. Portable and practical, it's a reliable companion for any job. Known for their top-tier quality, Wearer Tools ensures you'll always have the right tool whenever you need it. The rigid RC40 handheld cutters, equipped with an innovative ratchet mechanism designed for effortless cutting with reduced fatigue. The lightweight, compact design enables comfortable one-handed operation, while the foot release feature allows you to disengage the blades at any point during cutting. For added safety, the lock and unlock mechanism securely locks the tool when not in use, preventing accidental damage or injury during storage and transport. This combination of functionality and safety makes the RC40 an essential tool for any professional. The Cresent Elkin 4 in measuring wheel, designed with a dual wheel system for enhanced stability and precise measurements. This makes it perfect for a wide range of tasks. Unlike traditional belt drives, its gear-driven mechanism ensures durability and greater accuracy. The telescoping handle allows for compact folding, making storage and transport a breeze. With an anti-glare display, you can easily read measurements in any lighting conditions, while the analog meter conveniently resets at 10,000 feet. A built-in stand provides extra convenience and accuracy during distance measurements, making it a reliable tool for professionals.
The Armor Tool Inline Clamp offers distinct advantages designed to simplify your work and boost efficiency. Its automatic adjustment system allows it to securely fit into any standard 5/16" T-track, thanks to its durable steel adjustment rod. This ensures consistent pressure on materials up to 3.75 inches thick. The built-in adjustment screw lets you fine-tune the pressure for a secure and precise hold. With the T-bolt capable of rotating, you can easily position the clamp anywhere along the T-guide. The large, ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the non-marking tip safely clamps corners and rounded materials. Built with robust materials, it can handle up to 700 pounds, making it a reliable addition to any workshop. The Duax angle drill table from Woodpeckers, designed to elevate your precision drilling. Unlike typical drill tables that limit you to vertical holes or fixed angles, the Duax allows for effortless adjustment and secure positioning at virtually any angle. Whether you're working on complex angled joints or non-standard drilling operations, this table offers unmatched control and accuracy. Made from high-quality materials, it guarantees exceptional strength and stability. The innovative design ensures easy adjustments, making it simple to align and secure your workpieces for flawless results every time.